there everyone, a very good morning to all of you. We have received a very good response for the very first mastery session by VFXDFX yesterday. We hope all of those who joined have really understood the future of content creation and how AI and all the advanced technologies can enable you to become a very independent content creator and earn your own well-being in your own passion and fashion. With this, we also noticed that people were expecting a very good domestic support to understand this webinar in Hindi and Marathi language. So stay tuned with us. We are also going to conduct this webinar in Marathi and Hindi as well, so that we can reach out to more and more people and explore the possibilities of empowering you to become a content creator.
Hey everyone, thank you for joining the session yesterday. It was really nice to see so many of you interested in becoming content creators. I hope we showed a lot of possibilities and potentials that we have as content creators in today's age to be ourselves, to be free, to create what we want to create. We have much more ready for you and we really hope you are going to join us. All right, have a good day.